Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, I am going to show you guys how can you set your default font style in your Redmi phone. Guys, you can see guys this font style guys you don't like, so guys don't worry guys. In this video guys, I will show you guys how can you remove this font style, and guys how can you set your default font style in your Redmi phone. In this video guys, we are going to talk about it. So then first of all, open your phone setting, then guys scroll display setting, guys tap here, and guys scroll, guys click on font, and guys click on profile, and guys you can see your font, so guys tap here, so guys click on this reboot option first, and guys apply, and guys reboot, so we will reboot it. Then guys you can set your default font style. So guys, now let's see. So you can see guys your default font style. So I hope friends you have understood how to set default font style in a Redmi phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.